Without question, Band-Aid makes the best bandages out there. They have quite a variety, but I always have a box of their standard flexible bandage Band-Aids in my cupboard because these are my go-tos. They come in a variety of sizes, they hold on for 24 hours, they don't leave terrible sticky residue, and they are the only Band-Aids that I have ever appreciated, that I have not gotten frustrated with. I have tried other Band-Aids and either they're too sticky, they hurt my kids, or they come off too easily, or they feel uncomfortable, but these just work. Now I just got a new box of these because I have ran out of the standard size, so this is all one size. You can get the variety pack. I definitely recommend that. But now I'm down to just the other small sizes and I don't have the main size, the regular Band-Aid size. So I love that I have this. My family will definitely go through all these Band-Aids and they are solid. Let me show you close up. Now I'm sure you've used a Band-Aid before, but there are so many reasons why these are my favorite. Starting with the way they pull, it's always pretty clean. Obviously I ripped it a little bit there, but I'm not dealing with a lot of frustration to get to my bandage. And then the next piece that's key to me is that these are always really easy to pull open, so I'm not having to deal with that when I'm dealing with an injury. They just pop right open so I can get that right on the wound. And then finally, this stickiness is really good. It holds onto the skin well while still being breathable. And more importantly, it's a fabric type of Band-Aid, so it's very breathable, it's flexible, it feels really nice on. Now these are their more standard bandages in that they don't have any adhesive around the sides of this main piece, so it can pop up along each of these edges, and that's fine by me. With most wounds, it's fine that they're breathable, and there are definitely options if you just want a bandage that's just for a knuckle or somewhere that bends, but these are just really, really nice Band-Aids all around. They stay on no problem while washing your hands, while being out in the world for 24 hours, and that's really when you want to take them off anyway. Even if they're still staying on, they will build up gunk around the edges. Very normal, but they are fantastic Band-Aids, and I definitely recommend a box of them in every household. And if you have kids, you can get these with different characters on them and patterns, but when it comes down to it, I love the basic standard Band-Aid. No one fights over getting the standard Band-Aid, but everyone's willing to put it on an injury and it stays on beautifully. The Band-Aid flexible fabric bandages are a must.